Ron here from Kolleno, the leading suite app for account receivable. Let's walk through printing multiple journal entries at once in NetSuite. So first I go to Transactions, Management, Print Checks and Forms. You click on the left-hand side the Journals. Here you have it. Journals, link access to the Print Journals page. You then select the type of journal entry that you want to print from the journals list. Optionally, you can filter the entries by location or form template. Here, I'm just going to get all of them so that I can show you on the left-hand side that you have a print box that you can select for the journal entries you want to select. And then while I dezoom, please like this video on YouTube. And then you simply click on the print button to start printing. Remember please to subscribe to this channel for more NetSuite tips, and I will see you in the next video.